Hey guys, hope everything is going well in y'all's lives today. Hope y'all having a good night. And I'm back. So today, as I mentioned, like yesterday, I was going to come on because we've had a lot of things happening, a lot of things happening within the YouTube community. And it just so happens to be the people, I guess, that I watch, maybe. I'm not sure. But yesterday I spoke a little bit about Nikki and Jamie Perkins. Again, they were one of my favorite couples, and FYI, they have separated and more than likely headed for divorce because, I mean, they've already got their own place. It wasn't like just some quick separation and then get back together. So pretty much sucks. But today, I wanted to ask y'all to keep someone else in your prayers because another YouTuber that I watch, I've been watching her for a very long time, actually, probably a little bit longer than I've been watching Jamie and Nikki. And her name is Strongmommy Chrissy. She also has a cooking channel. I think it's called Cooking with Chrissy, maybe. I don't really go on that channel as much as her main channel. When the comments were disabled due to the whole child attack thing that they were having on YouTube or whatever, she started doing her videos on that channel. That way, people could comment. And so that's where I end up going to that channel to look at her videos. But anyway, I've been watching her for quite some time, and I want to say I found her video, or I found her channel actually, when I was going through IVF and I was pregnant with my first set of twins, London and Lindsay. And I was looking for, twin vlogs to look at and, all that good stuff. And I want to say that's when I ran into her channel, or a little bit before then, because I remember when she had her second child, but then I didn't start watching her, consistently until I became pregnant with twins and then found her twin vlogs that she had. So that's how I ended up running into her on YouTube. And she is a, young woman, young mom. She just made 30, I believe. And she has 9 kids. Excuse me. So she has 9 children. She's been married once. And she's been having, kids, I want to say maybe once, maybe every year or every other year, and then she had like a little space, and then it was, more, or whatever the case may be. That's neither here or there, but basically they're spaced out. It's not like one's 10 months and the other one's 5 months. You see what I'm saying? They're spaced out. So anyway, I've never judged her. I've never ever looked at her like, girl, what's wrong? Because my thing is that you never can judge somebody, based on what it seems. You never know what that person's going through. You never know how things happen. I know me personally, I feel like if I didn't have the situation I have to get pregnant, I probably would have had about 10 or 11 kids around here. You know what I mean? So, hey, to each his own. However, I feel like every time she got into a relationship and so forth, that she, these men, I feel like in any situation, a lot of men, it's like they promise you everything. They promise you the world. They promise you this. They promise you that. And then in the end, it's like, okay, where was that? And in her case, here comes a baby, and then she's all by herself. She is the name that she have, couldn't have been better, because she is such a strong woman. Here I am, 6 years older than her, and I look at her strength, like example, this recent situation that just happened. She was married, about 3 years, I believe, to this guy, and she gave him 3 sons. Okay. So He long story, if y'all want to go watch it, definitely go and subscribe to her channel. That would bless her tremendously because that's how she lives. She gets her money from YouTube, and it's a blessing that she can do that. And so anyway, she was married, and she gave this guy 3 sons, and the last baby, well, he left while she was pregnant. So she's about 7 months pregnant or whatever, and he leaves. And, he goes do whatever and leaves her there to fend for herself. Now, all this time, I'm sitting here praying. I'm crying with her because, number one, your hormones are crazy. You're exhausted at that age, at that stage. You have all these other kids looking to you for mama this, mama that. And my heart just broke for her so many times because I just felt like she didn't have a moment to where she could just break down. You see what I'm saying? She didn't have a moment where she can just cry or go in the closet and just scream. She would vent to YouTube because, at the end of the day, not only was this her job, but I feel like she had some type of a, connection where, we're like that group, that crowd that's like, okay, we're here for you, type deal. And, sometimes coming to YouTube to vent, whereas nobody else, can physically help you anyway, it's better to vent to people that you may not see every day versus somebody that sees you every day and then they hold that against you, if that makes sense. So anyway, he left when she was about 7 months, and like I said, she had 8 other mouths to feed, 8 other kids to take care of. The youngest at the time, he is about 1 year old, and so she's taking care of her kids, she's doing what she have to do. In the midst of that, she had to move. It just so happens, I'm not sure how her address got leaked or whatever the case may be, but she was having some issues with where she lived, and she ended up moving. She had to move by herself. Looking at her carrying that stuff up the stairs, looking at her boxing up all that stuff, looking at her go in and out the house carrying that stuff, it just hurt. It just really, really hurt. And I wanted to just find her husband and take him and just strangle him. Like why would you leave her, stranded like that, by herself? And so she moved in, got her a better place, really nice. And, her mom, she was helping her mom as well. And so it's just, she had so much, she has so much on her plate. However, she still seems to find room on her plate to finish, to finish everything. She has kids that go to school. She have to get up and go, everything. So anyway, again, long story short, he leaves her to, fend for herself, which she's never had a problem with doing. But everybody knows it's much easier when you have your companion, your baby daddy, your husband, whoever with you. You know what I mean? Support. And it's kind of hard when you just by yourself. I can't even imagine going through all the things that I went through by myself, type deal. So anyway, she goes and she has the baby. Such a cutie pie. All her kids are beautiful, but she goes and have her baby, and she has a doula there. And my heart just cries out because she's just, even though she has a doula, she's still by herself. You know what I mean? There's nobody blood related that's there with her. Her mom, watched the kids for her, but there's nobody that's blood related, that's there for her and with her, and it just hurts. And anyway, she goes through it. She, has her baby, and he's healthy and beautiful. And she gets home, and as soon as she gets home, she has to jump in the, in the midst of it. Here she is. The baby hadn't even made 3 weeks or not even a month yet, and she had to go to the grocery store. It's like she's having to do everything. She's still having to get out there. She's still having to be mama. She can't stop because some dumbass, excuse my French, but wants to leave her. So he's doing what he's doing. He's never seen the baby, and it just goes on and on, and that's just a little background of what's happening now. But if you are somebody that judges from the beginning, don't go click on her page. But if you're somebody that's going to look at her situation and pray for her while in the midst of the storm, and support her, then yeah, definitely go and look at her page and support her, and subscribe and like her videos and all that good stuff, but also send prayer her way because, you know, every mama have their moment. You know, I love my kids to death, but there are moments when I'm just like, oh my God, like, how did I even get through the day today? You know, and there's times when before I can even get in the shower, I just like literally lay down. I have to lay down in order to get in the shower sometimes. You know, I love it. Don't get me wrong. But at the same time, you know, it's okay to be exhausted. It's okay to have a moment to yourself. And so anyway, just looking at her, you know, she makes me strong just looking at her, you know, and um, you know, it's just so much she's been through and so many people that's been against her, and it's just sickening, you know. And so anyway, like I said before, I'm coming to y'all, asking y'all to pray for her. Her name is Chrissy. If you do not want to go, you know, look at her YouTube, her name is Chrissy, Strongmommy Chrissy on YouTube. And just say a prayer that, you know, everything that has happened to her is not going to defeat her. If anything, it's going to be a blessing. You know, let it make a full circle, you know, and bless her in the midst of, you know. I pray that, you know, she's very wealthy. I pray that her kids are wealthy. I pray that, you know, every man that left her and did wrong by her, you know, and stuff like that, I hope she gets justice from that, you know. And it may not have been nothing major, but at the same token, a lot of them, you know, they may call their kids, but they're not doing anything. You know, they're not picking them up. They're not hugging them. They're not tucking them in at night. They're not having their kids spend a night with them, you know. So that's the stuff to me that it matters to kids, you know. And I can only imagine, you know, they see their siblings maybe with their dad, but then they can't be with their dad. You know, just so many things that take place. So I just pray, you know, for her and pray for her children that, you know, forget all of them that, you know, that just left them hanging and stuff like that. And I just pray that her businesses and her company that she's trying to brew and, you know, her channel just, you know, flourishes. You know, I pray that it just multiply. You know, I really do, you know, care about her. I really do. Like, I watch her faithfully. My husband think I'm crazy because he's like, why would you, you know, you watching that? And she's probably lying about that. And I'm like, look, just because you hear her talking about, you know, her baby daddy or her husband or ex-husband, soon to be, doesn't mean that she's, you know, making this up. And I told him, I said, you know, don't do that, because I've been watching her for a very long time. And I really care, you know, that she makes it. I care that she gets through it. And my husband, he don't understand, you know, he thinks I'm just watching random people or whatever case may be, and that they're talking about this, talking about that. And, you know, and I'm just like, I'm like, you'll never understand, you know. So anyway, ooh, it's past my bedtime. But I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, get off of here and get some rest. But I just wanted to come to y'all and just ask for prayer, you know, for her, and that that she continues to, you know, be blessed, and, you know, that her finances and her situation just multiplies for the best. So again, you know, go check out her channel. Look at from the beginning to the end. That way you can see why, you know, she's on my heart, you know. Definitely do that, you know. But like I said, she's been one of my favorites. She's been one of my favorites on YouTube, and I do care that she, you know, is in the right headspace and stuff like that. When she cry, I cry, because, you know, you learn to love these YouTube channels, you know what I mean? Like, some people you've watched for years, and, you know, when something happens, you feel that same emotion, you know. And if you don't, then, you know, it is what it is. But I'm that kind of person where I'm like, if something sad happens, I'm crying. If something good happens, I'm screaming. I'm like, yeah, you know, you go, girl. So I'm just one of them, you know. I'm a fan. And so just, you know, go check out her channel, and, you know, send positive vibes and send blessings her way, and, you know, continue to keep her in your prayers. All right, guys, I'm out of here. Bye.